Meal planning hacks that save $200 a month might sound exaggerated, but this is exactly the type of realistic, repeatable system we focus on here at Smart Money 101. This channel is all about practical money habits that work in real life, not extreme sacrifices or unrealistic budgeting. Everything you'll hear in this video is designed to be simple, family-friendly, and easy to maintain month after month. If your grocery bill feels out of control and you want a smarter way to manage your money without stress, make sure you subscribe to Smart Money 101 and stay until the end, because the last habit alone can save you more than most people expect. Let's start with the core problem that drives grocery overspending for most households. It's not just food prices. It's decision fatigue. When you don't know what you're eating ahead of time, every meal becomes a last-minute decision, and last-minute decisions are expensive. They lead to impulse buys, extra trips to the store, and delivery or takeout that quietly destroys your budget. Meal planning is not about eating boring food or following strict rules. It's about removing uncertainty so you stop paying convenience premiums. The first Smart Money 101 rule of meal planning is always plan around what you already own. Before you write a shopping list, you check your fridge, freezer, and pantry. Most people already have enough food for several meals without realizing it. Frozen proteins, pasta, rice, canned beans, sauces, and leftovers are money you already spent. When you ignore them, you end up buying duplicates. A simple inventory check takes 5 minutes and can save you $30 to $50 a month by itself. Next, you plan meals based on overlapping ingredients. This is where real savings begin. Instead of choosing random meals that require completely different ingredients, you choose meals that reuse the same items. For example, if you buy chicken, you use it for tacos one night, stir-fry another night, and a soup or rice bowl later in the week. One pack of chicken becomes 3 meals instead of 1. This reduces waste and keeps your grocery list shorter. Less variety in ingredients does not mean less variety in meals. It means smarter use of what you buy. Another powerful habit is assigning themes to each day of the week. This removes planning stress and prevents impulse spending. For example, Monday might be pasta night, Tuesday tacos, Wednesday leftovers, Thursday rice bowls, Friday homemade pizza, Saturday flexible, Sunday slow cooker meals. When your brain already knows the category, planning takes minutes instead of an hour. People who use meal themes consistently spend less because they don't default to expensive convenience foods when they're tired. Let's talk about the grocery store itself, because this is where many budgets quietly break. Smart Money 101 always recommends shopping with a list and sticking to it. But there's a trick that makes this easier. Organize your list by store sections: produce, meat, dairy, pantry, frozen. This reduces wandering, and wandering leads to impulse buying. Grocery stores are designed to make you spend more the longer you stay inside. Faster trips equal lower bills. Another key rule is never shopping hungry. This sounds simple, but it has a massive financial impact. When you shop hungry, everything looks necessary. Studies consistently show that hungry shoppers buy more processed and impulse items. A small snack before shopping can save you $20 to $40 per trip over time. Now let's address bulk buying, because this is often misunderstood. Buying in bulk only saves money if you actually use the food. Smart Money 101 recommends bulk buying only for items you consume every week, such as rice, oats, frozen vegetables, eggs, or certain proteins. Bulk snacks and specialty items often increase spending instead of reducing it. If bulk food ends up expired or thrown away, it's not a deal. One of the most overlooked savings strategies is planning at least one leftover night per week. Many people treat leftovers as a failure, but financially, leftovers are a win. A planned leftover night prevents unnecessary cooking and reduces food waste. It also acts as a buffer if your week becomes busy and you're tempted to order takeout. This single habit can easily save $40 to $60 a month. Let's talk about takeout and delivery, because this is where grocery savings often disappear. The goal is not to eliminate takeout completely. The goal is to plan it. When takeout is planned, it stays within your budget. When it's emotional or last minute, it becomes expensive. Choose one planned takeout meal per week and treat it as part of your meal plan. Knowing it's coming reduces the urge to order extra meals during the week. Another Smart Money 101 habit is cooking once and eating twice. This does not mean eating the same meal every day. It means cooking extra protein or base ingredients that can be repurposed. Cook extra rice, roasted vegetables, or grilled meat and use them across multiple meals. This reduces cooking time and prevents the "I'm too tired to cook" excuse that leads to spending. Now let's talk numbers, because Smart Money 101 is about results. Cutting one grocery trip per week can save around $20 to $30. Reducing food waste can save $50 or more per month. Planning instead of ordering delivery just twice a week can save $100 alone. When you combine these habits, saving $200 a month becomes realistic, not extreme. Another underrated strategy is keeping a simple meal planning template. This can be a notebook, a notes app, or a printable sheet. You don't need fancy tools. Write the meals for the week and the grocery list next to them. When you repeat this every week, planning becomes automatic. Automation is the foundation of smart money habits. Let's also talk about family involvement, because this matters. When your family knows what meals are coming, there's less resistance and fewer last-minute changes. Letting kids or partners choose one meal per week increases buy-in and reduces food waste. When everyone feels included, you're less likely to abandon the plan. If you're enjoying this content and want more realistic money systems like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Smart Money 101. Every week we break down simple habits that help you control your money instead of wondering where it went. Finally, remember this. Meal planning is not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. You don't need gourmet meals. You need consistency. Even doing this 80% of the time will dramatically reduce your food spending. Small habits repeated weekly create big financial results over time. If you want to keep building smarter money habits, check out the other videos on this channel. Smart Money 101 is here to help you spend less, stress less, and build a more stable financial future one habit at a time.